This is a epres shampoo. This was sent to me from the brand, but like always, it's always my honest review. For me, there's a few things you should know. One, this cap, revolutionary. Every brand should do it. The twist, and it just so cleanly come out. But this is a runny formula. It's not like a normal shampoo. And the smell of this, it smells so sweet, so vanilla. I wish they would bottle this and make this into perfume because it smells fantastic. For me, this is definitely what I would call a low lather shampoo, that it doesn't give you those intense bubbles, but it still cleans your hair and it still leaves your hair quite soft and nice. But what I find too is that this brand really gets into the technology of hair, and it really fixes your hair from the inside out. So if you haven't tried the spray of this brand too, for me, fantastic.